Hey guys, so I've got this silk bonnet, so let me show you. You see it's made from silk 100%, so it's nice. The quality should be really nice. Let's open it. Oh, you see how it looks. Actually, yeah, the quality is very nice. Here we have a strip, it's super stretching, as you may see. And yeah, the quality is super nice. It's super soft. I really like the color. I mean, it's really nice to the body. It's so soft, it's so pleasant. I really like the material. So yeah, and actually it helps to keep your hairstyle while sleeping. So yeah, let's put it on. I guess this thing is very useful, especially if you have long hair as I have, or maybe curly hair. Yeah, so we just need to put all the hair here and then stuck it to the head. Yeah, so we put it like this, or put it first. Also need to read it. So it should look like this, and you may sleep and your hair will be there and your hairstyle won't damage. It's so nice and so convenient, and it's really soft to the skin. It's really convenient to wear it. I mean, it's so soft to the body. The hair is here, it will not go anywhere. So I guess it's perfect to keep it at the same position, not to damage your hairstyle. So yeah, I really recommend you this. That's so nice, and the quality, I mean, that's adorable.